Look at this super cool computer beautifier. Make your computer stand out by animating things. This not just works offline, but its online mode works whenever you search and browse things online. This comes with a beautiful animated search engine. This search engine is made to make your searches smoother and attractive, unlike other traditional search engines. When it comes to browsing mode, it makes browsing ultra smoother. This adds Spring Sense animations to make it even more classy. You get a customizable interface with this. This is Wallwave Beautifier. Get your hands on. Try it yourself. It is fun when you use it.
It is just a 3-step process to fix bad image error pop-up on Windows 10. Go to search bar and type regedit. Click here to open it. Then expand HKey local machine. Then expand software. Now expand Microsoft. Scroll down and search for Windows NT and expand it. Then expand current version and search for Windows. Select it. On the right side, right click on App LNIT-DLLS. Then click on Modify. If there is something written in the value data, then select all and just remove it and click on OK. And just close all windows and restart your system. Your problem will be solved. You are good to go.